Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Dave in here, and today we're gonna look at some arpeggios that you can add to worship music, definitely to add some more creativity to your piano playing. Let's get right to it. The progression that we're gonna look at for our example is gonna be a 1, 4, 6, 5. And as I play this progression, you probably could even hear some songs that fit within it. We're gonna play it like this. All right, the first arpeggio that we're gonna learn is gonna be one for the left hand, and it's going to be a D, A, D, E. Now, I'm telling you those note names, but I also want you to think about the numbers. That's going to be crucial to applying it to other chords. It's going to be 1, 5, 1, 2. And so we're going to apply that same concept to like the G. 1, 5, 1, 2. Or the B minor. 1, 5, 1, 2. Or the A. 1, 5, 1, 2. All right. Here we go with the application with some context, okay? So. Just adding that element adds so much depth to it that I really don't have to do much work in my right hand. Believe it or not, I'm not even playing full chords a lot of times. Sometimes I'm just playing the D and the A. That's it, and I'm letting my left hand do all the work. Look at that. That's a beautiful chord right there. Sometimes I think the mistake a lot of beginners make, and this is just going off topic, but you need to know this, is that I see a D major. Let me play every note in D major, and let me go ahead and play it in both hands. But that's not what's happening a lot of times musically, okay? Especially in worship music. Another one, and it's just adding one more note to it, would be the 1, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to show you the fingering because this is going to be a little more important than for the last one. But it's my pinky or 5, if you know your numbers, which for your hand is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, or the pinky, my index finger here, my thumb here. I'm going to cross over, put my middle finger there, and my index finger here. Okay? I do the same thing on the G. I do the same thing for the B minor. And then the A. All right, so now let's try it. Man, that's so beautiful. Adds so much depth to the music. So those are just 2 arpeggios that you can apply to worship songs that will certainly add a deeper creative element. Side tipped, not even planned, but I thought about this just now. Imagine hearing this with a pad underneath. So here we go. Turn that pad up for you. Pad just adds so much flavor to it. All right, we'll see if we use that in the video or not. But hey, if you want to further your knowledge of playing the piano for worship music, adding more flavor and certainly gospel elements, I definitely recommend you check out our courses at play-creatively.com, and we even have a free membership that you can get started with. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.